How to use a morning routine as a backdrop for a productive day. Many people find that staying productive is a really challenging task, especially considering the current climate of working from home. One of the best ways to kickstart your productivity is to incorporate being productive into your morning routine. By having a productive morning routine, you kick your mind into the right gear. It helps you get into a momentum or swing of things that follows you throughout the rest of your day. That's why people who get up early and get moving fast tend to be more productive and successful in their life. If you want to use a morning routine as a backdrop for a happy day, focus on activities that nurture yourself and take away distractions and stress. This includes going device-free, meditating, mindfulness practice, journaling, and anything else that takes you outside of your own mind. Some of the more productive activities can also help you improve your satisfaction and contentment with life. For example, opening your blinds is a great way to feel more optimistic because it exposes you to sunlight, which naturally makes you feel better. 5 habits to incorporate into your mornings. In this tutorial, I'm going to give you about 5 habits to incorporate into your mornings. When some people think of morning routines, they think of unnecessary chores that take up too much time to realistically fit in the morning. On the contrary, morning routines can be as simple as small habits that make a big difference on your day. Let's take a look at my favorite morning habits. 1. Don't rush. Mornings, especially if you have children or a busy day ahead, are chaotic. Even though chaotic mornings are guaranteed every once in a while, you should make a commitment to yourself to not rush on most mornings. Simply by taking your time and preparing in advance, your mornings will be much more enjoyable and less stressful. When your mornings go by more smoothly, the rest of your day does as well. In other words, you don't start on a stressful note. As a result, the first habit to incorporate into your morning is to not rush. Rushing will only hurt you, your family, and your mornings. Something as simple as waking up 10 minutes earlier can help you take on your mornings in a much more relaxed fashion. 2. Put down the phone. The second habit to incorporate into your mornings is putting down the phone. Many experts recommend being device-free the first hour you're awake. Given that so much of our society is connected through our phones, this habit can be a tough one to break in, but it is so important to your well-being. Instead of using your phone as your wake-up call, invest in an actual alarm clock. This will force you to get up and discourage you from scrolling through Instagram. You can also try setting Do Not Disturb or time limits on your phone so that your apps and notifications don't show up until the morning is done. If you find being device-free for 1 hour too difficult at first, start small and slowly work your way up to an hour or longer. 3. Be grateful. Being grateful can truly transform your outlook on life. Incorporate gratefulness into your everyday morning routine to start your day on a much more optimistic note. Being grateful can take as little as 30 seconds in the morning, but have a lasting impact on your day. I recommend having a small journal next to your bed. After you turn off your alarm, immediately jot down 3 things you're grateful for. This will take very little time, but this habit will make a big difference on your day and well-being. You can also add more than 3 things if you're feeling especially grateful one morning. 4. Open blinds. Our bodies have a natural circadian rhythm that is primarily connected with the sun. As soon as you wake up, try to open some blinds. This simple activity will wake you up much more quickly and energize your day. Not to mention, opening blinds and sunlight is a great way to feel happier and more content in your life, even when things are a bit tough. 5. Make your bed. Finally, the last habit to incorporate into your morning is making your bed. One of the best ways to have a productive day is to have a productive morning. Making your bed tells you that your day is started and kicks your productivity in gear. Make your bed every morning for a productive day. 5 morning rituals to try today. One of the most challenging parts of crafting a morning routine is deciding what activities you want to do in the morning. Everyone has a different groove, and a number of different activities can be the best way to kickstart your morning and enhance productivity. To make the process of creating a morning ritual a little bit easier, I'm going to tell you about 5 morning rituals to try today. You can try these rituals one day at a time before picking which one is best for you. Let's get started. 1. Read. Reading stretches your mind and wakes up your brain to tackle the day. Incorporate reading into your morning ritual, whether it be a newspaper, a novel, or a self-help book. Try to read something to jolt your brain awake. The one tip is to try to stay away from your phone. Whenever you scroll through news apps on your phone, you'll be tempted to look on social media or email. Try to stick to physical texts or devices that are specifically designed for reading, like Kindles. 2. Drink warm lemon water. In the morning, drink water immediately, no matter what. After you've been sleeping all night, your body is likely dehydrated and needs a lot of water to get your body pumping again. As a ritual to help your body get back awake, drink lemon water every morning. Drinking lemon water will aid in digestion, provide you with a lot of vitamins, and rehydrate your body. It is a good idea to drink lukewarm or warm lemon water instead of cold water in the morning, but it's up to you. 3. Journal. If you have a lot on your plate, you may want to journal in the morning. Journaling is an easy way to be creative and get your emotions out healthily and effectively. Journal every morning to challenge your mind and feel better. Journaling doesn't have to be a long process. It can actually be very short and snappy when you opt for journaling methods like gratitude lists or to-do lists. For a gratitude list, jot down 3 to 5 items you're grateful for every morning before getting out of bed. 4. Exercise. Exercising is imperative to keep your body healthy and happy. However, if you put off exercising at night, it's more likely that you will slack off since you're already tired from the rest of your day. Combat this from happening by exercising in the morning. Exercising in the morning kickstarts your metabolism and gets the task done before the day. Whether you like doing yoga or jogging, make your morning exercise fun, sweat-inducing, and exciting. 5. Meditate. Meditating often seems intimidating, but it shouldn't be. It is a great way to train your focus and feel better about yourself. Every morning, try to meditate for a few minutes. Increase the meditation time as you get better and better at meditating. My personal favorite place to meditate is outside whenever the weather allows. It allows me to connect with nature and feel more at peace. Especially since most people work inside, meditating outside is a great way not to feel stuffy or confined by everyday life. Conclusion. There are tons of little rituals that you can add to your morning routine. To find out which of these rituals are best for you, try every one of them until you find a groove that matches your desires and morning. Today I'm going to tell you 5 reasons why you need a morning routine. For some people, getting up in the morning comes naturally. For others, it becomes a downright battle with oneself to get up and start the day. No matter what category you fall under, one of the best ways to make your mornings easier and better is to start a morning routine. Let's take a look. 1. Kickstart your morning. The first reason why you need a morning routine is that it kickstarts your morning. Whenever you have a set routine, you know exactly what to expect and how long it will take you to get ready. As a result, you can actually get up in a manner that is confident and prepared to take on the day. This acts as a jolt of energy throughout your entire system and morning. 2. Be more productive. The second reason why you need a morning routine is that it helps you to be more productive. Countless studies have shown that having a morning routine is the key to productivity. All the most productive and successful people in the world have a morning routine. Be more productive and successful throughout your life by having a morning routine. 3. Lower your stress. Mornings can be incredibly stressful, especially if you're not prepared or rushing to get ready. By having a morning routine, You know exactly what's to come and don't have to worry about running around every morning. For this reason, you should have a morning routine to lower your stress. Given that stress leads to a number of negative health effects, it is important to minimize stress whenever possible. Morning routines are the perfect way to do this in the morning. 4. Gain more time during the day. Everyone wishes that they had more time. One of the best and easiest ways to get more time out of life is to have a morning routine. Having a morning routine creates extra space in the day to focus on yourself, your goals, and your well-being. In other words, it gives you more time throughout your day. Finally, the last reason why you should have a morning routine is that it helps you to prioritize your tasks. Mornings are busy. In order to create a great morning routine, you need to be able to prioritize what needs to be done, what can be done at night, and what needs to be forgotten about completely. This helps you to prioritize your tasks morning, noon, and night. Learning how to prioritize your tasks may not seem like a big deal, but it is key to becoming successful. If there are too many tasks on your plate, it's easy to get bogged down and never fully commit to anything. Prioritizing tasks in the morning helps you to get started and commit to the day fully, leading to more success. Conclusion. All in all, having a morning routine will benefit you in a number of ways. From kickstarting your morning to helping you prioritize your tasks, creating a morning routine will help you create the life you want, be the best version of yourself, and not focus on the little details.